Hey guys, welcome to the web development class. I had recorded this on Teams, but Teams didn't work out too well. It recorded half of my face. So we'll do this again. Welcome to the web development course. My name is Jeff Seaman. I'm the professor facilitating this course for the summer. Just starting off, if you have questions, reach out to me. I'm here. Email me. I have to make sure you guys are set up on Element. It's a chat service that we use here. I'm not sure if you do have it or not, but it is a quicker way to reach me. So think of it as almost like a text messaging service. A little bit about myself. I've been teaching at Point Park since 2018. I am a assistant professor of applied computer science. So I'm one of 3 full-time faculty members within the applied computer science area. I have started off teaching in 2015. I taught at CCAC. Most of you probably are familiar with CCAC. Primarily taught at the North Campus up in McCandless. I taught at a variety of different campuses. Primarily taught Python and Java programming, and I taught mobile development, Android development, and iOS programming classes in the summer time via online. Which was a challenge. Let's see what else. I taught there till 2019 as adjunct. I also taught at West Liberty University as an adjunct professor, taught in the computer information systems. So primarily taught graduate students. Actually, that's all I taught was grad students, and did teach some undergrads a little bit for a short period of time, but mainly I taught a CIS 530 class, which was more or less an introduction to technology in itself from a graduate level. Students getting their MBA, but they had a course on technology. I taught there until 2021, I think it was, or 2022, something like that. So I had taught there for about 5 years as well. Getting into industry, I've been working in industry since 1999, so I've been in there for quite some time. When I started off early, it was like I was a young new kid on the block. I was a young kid, and everyone was kind of on their way out. Now here I am, the old kid, and the young people are joining. So it's kind of funny how that works. But I started off doing technology, doing support / some Unix and HTML development. Majority of my time is spent as working as a software developer. Had some time working in as a database administrator. I didn't do things the clear-cut way. I actually went to school for about a year. Being completely honest here, I did not like college. I shouldn't tell you this, but I did. I mean, being 18 and making that decision on what you want to do for the rest of your life, it's a tough decision, really is. So I actually did some other things, worked for UPS, went to the police academy, variety of different things over a short period of time. And then, I started working in industry in 99. I only had 1 year of schooling. I worked in the industry probably up to 2003, 2004, without a college degree, just 1 year of schooling, that's it. But then I decided to go back to school because at that time I seen how important it was. I seen where I wanted to go with my career, and it was important for me to get the bachelor's degree. And that's when, I got my bachelor's degree in computer science. I already had 1 year of school, almost 2 years, whatever. So it helped, enhance me to, get some credits, work toward 3 years of school, work full time, and also going to school full time. That was difficult. But anyhow, so I didn't do things the functional way, but, I did it some way and it worked. To me, it worked because, I got to kind of do the exposure of learning the industry and understanding how difficult it could be. And having that, I seen something moving and I thought it was, I don't know what it was, but anyways, So yeah, I've been working mainly software developer, database administration. The last 5 years, I've been on the management track. I also have a daytime job. I work at PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. I am a senior application security manager. I manage a team of software developers, as well as DevOps professionals. My group is diverse. It's different because we are developing software, but we're also a security firm, a security group as well. So our primary role is to help people with their software code to secure it, but now we're developing software to automate stuff. It's a really cool environment to work in. So mainly I like to say I'm in the security field, but the only way I got here is having a software background, and everybody in my group all came from a software background, was a software developer, got into security. Now we're combining the roles. And I've actually been in this role for a senior manager for a year now. I got promoted last year. I was a manager. I was a lead manager, part of my group, Security Development Services group, on the leadership team of that group, and then I got promoted to senior. So it's been a lot more work, and then doing this job as well. So it's a lot to handle, but once you put something together, you can make it work. It's just all determination. But anyways, so yeah, I've been working in the industry for a long time. Personal life, got 3 kids, married, live in South Hills near Peters Township in South Park area. Oldest kid is 26, well, gonna be 26 here this month, which primarily makes me feel really old. My middle daughter is 22. Oh my God, I don't know, 22. And she should be graduating from Point Park, but she is transferred to another school to expand her knowledge in another field. And then I have a son who's graduating from high school and who will be coming to Point Park in the fall. He is going to be studying and applying computer science. Yeah, I'm happy. Anyhow, if you can't tell. Personally, if I stood up, you would not be able to see me because I'm tall. I'm 6'7", so in my spare time, I love to play basketball. I would love to play basketball. I played at a high level, playing with professional athletes up to when I was about 42 years of age, and I was killing it. I was dunking on NFL stars and trying to keep up with them. So what happened is I worked too hard, and anyways, I blew out my knees. And so now I can't play at that level. Actually, I barely even play it anymore at all because my knees hurt from playing because I destroyed them. Which means I have to get a knee replacement in the future. Just trying not to do it now. So I had to pick up a new hobby. I picked up a hobby called winemaking. I've been making wine for 4 years. I started off doing wine kits, wine juice, now we're doing grapes. I actually have a tank here I could show you. So originally I started off doing carboys, which are like plastic containers. And now I have barrels in my basement. And then I got some of these expensive equipment here. If you can see, it is a stainless steel tank. And it's a 100-liter tank. It holds about 26.5 gallons of wine juice. So what happens is when you put the wine in the stainless steel, you get a better taste to it. It's what the winemakers use. And so, yeah, I actually have 4 of these tanks. I have a 100-liter, I have a 50-liter, I have another 100-liter, which is a taller. It's about 3, maybe 4 feet high, but it's smaller in diameter. And I have another big one that's 200-liter as well. So I have 4 tanks, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I have about 9 barrels. But right now in the basement, I actually have the grapes that I made in the fall. I made grapes in the fall, and they are in 2 10-liter barrels aging. And then I have 2 15-gallon American oak barrels that I bought brand new, and I'm custom made out of Minnesota. Those have a Zinfandel and a Chamberson aging in there, and they are at 18 and 19 months. So I'm going to be moving one of them to this tank. to let it kind of relax and make sure I make it clear, and then I'll be bottling that here soon. And then lastly is I have a 30-gallon barrel with a blend of different wines sitting in my basement, and then I have a 15-gallon that I'm going to actually bottle today or move to another tank and make sure it's clear. And that's a mixture of different wines. And then I have a couple in my closet back here, the wine closet. If you can see, there's a wine closet there. And I actually have 3 wines in there aging. I have a Petite Sirah, a Malbec, which turned out amazing last time. And I just bottled a Grenache last week. And then lastly, I have a new one I just put back here, an apple wine. So usually when I make an apple wine, it's a sweeter taste to it, but I actually add it to the barrel, and I want to get like a big apple taste out of it. So we'll see. That is my hobby. I really got involved with it. I've got some friends in the industry, and they've been very helpful. So yeah, that's cool. That's me in a nutshell. I like wine, but also like software development a lot, probably more. So anyways, I'm looking forward to meeting everyone in this class. I'm looking forward to see what you guys are doing. Just remember, tell me something, why you're here, what you're looking to do with this degree, something personal about yourself as well. So, hey guys, thanks, and have a good semester.